Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to explore a multi-step problem. So this means we're going to be doing things that we've done before in the past, but we're just combining things together now. So this problem is going to mainly focus on discounts and sales tax. So you go to the store, you go shopping, and you spend $33.89 on this purchase. So this particular store is having a sale where your purchase is 12% off but you still have to add the 7% sales tax at the end. So we want to know what your bill is going to be. So my first step is to figure out how much this bill is going to be. That's my very first step that I have to do. So what I need is I need to figure out what 12% of this $33.89 purchase was. So 33.89 times. So I could go this route from my last video, 1 minus 0.12, and I will get the answer right away. Or I could do the longer version, $33.89 times 0.12, and I will get an answer here, where I will add it back on to the $33.89. Either way, I'm going to get the same exact answer. So let's try that first way first. I'm going to take my calculator off screen and do $33.89. And I'm going to open a set of parentheses and do 1 minus 0.12 and close my parentheses. When I do that, I get 29.8232. When I look at the second method, I do 33.89 and I multiply it by that 0.12, which I made that 12% to a decimal, and I get 4.0668. I'm going to add that to the 33.89, and I get the same thing as I do above, which is that $29.8232. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have said subtracted here. Let me fix that. I meant subtract. Sorry about that. Right here, we're going to subtract, not add. Oopsie daisies. So we're going to subtract because it's a discount. We want to get rid of that price. So notice how I still have all 4 of those decimals there. Right here and right there. Since we are not done with the problem, I don't want to round yet. I want to keep those larger decimals. So now let's figure out the sales tax. Again, there are 2 methods to figuring this out. So the first method is the one-step method, where you take the number, that 29.8232, because that's how much the purchase it will be after the discount, and multiply it by 1.07. Now, again, the reason why it's 1.07 is because that 1 represents the whole price. That represents that $29 and change. That 0.07 represents the sales tax. You can kind of think of it, I'll write it in a different color right above it so you can kind of see. It's basically saying I'm taking 1, which is that purchase price, plus 0.07. That's where I get the 1.07 from. If I wanted to write this out the longer way, I would start the same way. And I would multiply this by 0.07, get my answer here, and then I would just have to add on that long decimal one more time. Either way, we are going to get the same exact answer. So I'm going to do the first way first. So off screen on my calculator, I'm going to type in that 29.8232 times 1.07. And I'm going to get an answer of 31.91084. Let's try the second method. 29.8232 times 0.07. And I'm going to get this longer decimal of 2.087624. And I'm going to add that answer to 29.8232. So I'm going to get the same exact thing as I got here, but that's not my final answer. My final answer has to be in money. So I know it's going to be $31. So I need to look at my rounding. I look at my hundreds place, look over, there's a 0 there, so I don't need to round. So my final answer with any method is going to be $31.91. That is how much this purchase is going to cost. So whichever method you prefer, you may choose if you want to combine them. So if you want to use this method and this method, or if you want to use this one and this one, you certainly can. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video if it helped. Leave a comment below with any questions that you may have. And make sure you share with a friend who you think could benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.